Terra Classic needs some organizations. LNC needs to come together, and they need top organization and industries right now. I believe before the end of the year, there's a possibility for 0.0001. Okay? Yes, there's a possibility for 0.0001 before the end of 2023. But they really need organizations that can help this coin, because I believe that is the only thing right now that can help push Terra Classic LNC coin. Apart from that, it will be difficult for Terra Classic to really increase. For which are the organizations we really want to see Terra Classic maybe right now? Number one for me, if you talk, it should be Wells. Then start mentioning some other top crypto industry, and especially Robinhood. I wish Robinhood can also list Terra Classic, but although we don't see that happening, and I don't believe it will happen even before the end of the year. Even next year it will be difficult. But the main point here is Luna needs huge assistance, and this assistance can only come from top organizations who are interested in crypto industry, who have been investing in different crypto industry. So if they can really help Terra Classic, I think it will go a long way to help this coin. And again, I think Luna needs to engage in things that can get the coin more popular, in things that can gain the trust. Okay, but even at the time of recording this, in the past few days, Terra Classic, in the past 7 days, Terra Classic is already losing over 16%, and today it's almost hitting about 1.40% drop in price. Okay, so you see, Luna needs assistance. Okay, so we believe that top organizations, if they can support this coin just the way Binance founder CZ himself is really supporting Terra Classic, I believe that this is going to help Terra Classic coin to rise more. Please, before you go, I also want to use this opportunity to tell you that very soon we might stop crypto videos. Even if I do crypto videos, we might be dropping 1 or 2 crypto videos, because right now we also want to focus more on teaching our viewers how to earn financial freedom, how to make money with their smartphones or with their laptops or tablets. Yes, these days the world is a global village whereby you can make money from home. You can make good profit from home. And this is why we are bringing up these different ways. And right now we are still testing some, because we want to bring something that we know will really work. And that is why we are taking our time. But very soon, expect, in case you start seeing some kind videos which is totally different from what we normally upload here, just know that we are changing gradually. But not that we'll stop talking about crypto industry or Terra Classic. Once in a while, we definitely will be doing that. But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Kindly drop your comment in the comment section below and like this video. Thank you.